guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Thursday and I have the worst migraine. It's pretty bad. I did a workout yesterday with like thrusters, and when I do things like that, my traps just get so tight and I really feel it the next day because my muscles, like I said, get so tight and they press down on my nerves. But today it is, like I said, Thursday, and it's now almost 1 o'clock and I've had a busy day. I went live with Turn It Up, then I worked out for myself and then I showered and got ready. And now I'm just gonna take things a little bit slow just because this migraine's really affecting my life right now. So I just made myself some breakfast, breaking the fast with, it's been a long time, avocado toast. I'm having avocado toast with some guacamole that Taz bought this past weekend. So it was pre-made. I don't love it, so I only put like a little bit on the bread. And then I got some tomatoes, sprinkled some salt on there, some cilantro, some Mexican cheese, and then the egg on top. Oh, and some olive oil. And this is what I was craving, and it is such a healthy, filling breakfast. Don't feel weird if you like want to get creative with your avocado toast. Like, avocado toast doesn't mean just avocado and toast and an egg. Like, feel free to get creative, whatever you have in your refrigerator. I saw the cheese and I was like, ooh, I wouldn't normally do that, but I want to try it today. So having that, and then really getting my water in just because I feel so bloated. And today's like the last day of my period, so I'm making sure that water's in. And now I'm gonna eat this while getting some work done. I have a DIY project that I really wanna do. I really wanna organize and declutter my entire apartment. So I'm not sure if we're gonna start that today or what, but I figured I'd just turn on the camera and see what happens. I have a lot of work to do behind the camera, so I won't see you guys for a couple hours, but whenever I do, get ready, because we're gonna have fun regardless, because that's what we do here. We have fun in this channel. I don't know, my migraine's talking. Okay, I'm gonna eat this and I'll catch you guys later.
It started out like a movie scene. Something straight out.
Hello, loves. It is 3:30 and I've just been sitting in front of my computer for the past couple hours just getting work done. Originally, it was just gonna be a quick 30-minute thing so I can just like check, but there's always something to do. I had some coffee and the headache got a little bit better, not completely gone, but manageable. And now I'm just working on literally everything all at once. I just posted a Lavavi post. I finished my Vlogmas for tomorrow. Working on some emails, doing a little bit of Christmas shopping because I haven't done any of that either. But I really want to tackle something today. I'm thinking I might do the closet. That's probably a really hard ask, so I'm gonna try. If I don't start before Taz gets home, then it's probably not gonna happen, and he'll get home at like 5:30. So honestly, I don't know what to expect either, so we're gonna find out at the same time. I hope you got that joke. Okay, just want to fill you guys in real quick. And yeah, it's just really hard for me to get things done at home just because I am constantly working throughout the day, and it's really hard for me to stop when I know I can get things done. But I also stress because I want to get so much stuff done in the house, or the apartment rather, and it's hard for me to like decide what's more important, you know? So I just can't wait till I have an office or a space that it's going to be separated from my actual home, because it'll just make things so much easier. If I'm home, it'll be a lot harder to get work done, and I can actually separate the two things, you know. But alas, that is not my life just yet, so I have to figure out what I'm going to do here. Okay, enough with the blab. I'm gonna get back to work, finish up here, and then start something fun like ordering Christmas gifts, you know? Also, I'm ordering a very special gift that I can't tell you yet because I don't want to ruin the surprise. But of course, when I do it or give it to said person, I will obviously take you guys with me because I want to get reactions. So stay tuned for that. Really excited. Okay, back to work I go. Hello. Oh, that golden hour is just, oh, I love it so much. It's 4:30 and it's time for a little snackaroony, if you know what I mean. I am just having 2 chocolate rice cakes with some natural peanut butter and some local honey. This is one of my go-to healthy snacks because it's not super carby. You have a little bit of healthy fats in there that's gonna keep you nice and full and satiated. And honestly, it just curbs my sweet tooth. So I'm gonna have this while I work. And then honestly, I have no idea what's for dinner. When Taz gets home, we'll discuss and then decide. And yeah, that's it. I honestly don't think that this closet is gonna get done today, unfortunately. It's okay though, it's okay. We'll make it happen. We'll make it happen eventually. And you guys are gonna do it with me. So, hey, we should have a cleaning party. How about we have a cleaning closet party? What do you guys think about that? Let me know below. Okay, I'm gonna try to get more work before Taz gets home. Wow, English. I'm gonna try to get more work done before Taz gets home because when he gets home, I don't wanna do anything and I just wanna hang out with him. So, gotta go, bye.
Magazine, I cross my feet.
Good morning, fam. Sorry, I literally did it again. We had friends come over last night and I just didn't pick up the camera. So I apologize about that, but obviously it's now the next day and I'm getting ready to go to the gym, but I wanted to close off this vlog so I can start the next one, but also show you some stuff I got in the mail. I haven't done an unboxing in a long time, so I figured I'd show you a couple things. So I haven't opened this one, but I know what it is, I think. And I'm really excited because they did a sale for, I think it was Black Friday or Cyber Monday, and I've mentioned that I love this oil. This is from Frey. I don't really know how you pronounce it, to be honest. I'm just cutting this paper out. And oh, so pretty. This is just the face oil. It's literally just an illuminating oil, and I've loved mixing this with like my moisturizer. Not my moisturizer, my foundation for a glowy look. So just recycled. Got that. Not sponsored, I bought that myself. And then this guy is from Joon. They sent over, their big size bottle of the hair oil, which you guys know I'm running low from. But it's just such a beautiful bottle. Such a beautiful bottle. Like, so beautiful. And they sent over another box. Not sure what that is. So it's the shampoo and conditioner. Yay! Now I have the whole set. I do know, actually I saw on their Instagram that they have the liter size shampoo and conditioner now, and they also have a gift set for Christmas, so check it out. I'll link everything in the description box below for you guys if you're interested in picking any of these things up. Excuse me, my throat. And last but not least, I already opened this, but I just wanted to share it with you guys because I love it. I treated myself to like a Christmas gift. I don't know if you guys follow Savon Ayla. She's like super aesthetic blogger, lifestyle fashion influencer, and she has 2 companies. She actually has an activewear line, and she also has like a tanning skincare line, and it's called Lux Unfiltered. And it originally was just like a fake tan or whatever, and then she came out with these face drops, and I've just been dying to try them. And then they just released this set, and this is the complete body set. And it comes with an exfoliator, a conditioning body cream, and a hydrating self-tanning cream. And I got this, I think I got it last Friday, and I started using it on Monday. And I don't know if you can tell in the last vlog I posted, my body was like a little bit tan and my face looked a little bit white compared. That's because I'm using self-tanner and I'm trying out the drops, and I'm kind of trying to feel how many drops goes for my face. So I'm gradually adding a tan, and I think now it's getting a little bit better. But I love it so much. Like I said, I've already used it. I used the exfoliator, and I will say this happened to my exfoliator packaging. I don't know if you can see that. It's like the packaging just started peeling on the first use. And this was pretty pricey. I think I paid $150 for all of this. But I emailed them just to kind of let them know, and they're like, oh no, we're so sorry about that, we'll fix it for you. So their customer service has been great. I think I just got like a defective one maybe, or I don't know, maybe I used it, I don't know. But I love it so much. It literally feels so luxurious. The packaging is nice, and like, it just feels nice. It doesn't feel super cheap. So, which I didn't expect anything less from Savon, to be honest. And I want to show you the packaging of this. This is her number 12 bronzing face drops. It's just so beautiful. And my camera, there you go. I just love it so much. And then literally this is my aesthetic, the pink and the wood and the white. So yeah, I've just been using this all week, and I used the exfoliator. It was so dreamy. I love that the exfoliator is in a squeeze bottle instead of like a tub. I hate getting like the exfoliator under my nails. It's just so annoying. I'm actually really happy that it came out in a squeeze tube. It smells wonderful. I know she has 2 scents. Well, she has Santal, which is the one I have, and then she has the no scent for people that are allergic or sensitive to smell. And I will say I'm allergic to smell, not allergic, I'm sensitive to some scents, but this one is just so light, and it's just not very strong. So I'm happy with it. And I talked about the conditioning cream, I think. Everything's just so nice, and I really, really love the packaging. I know she sold out of the complete, I know she sold out of this, but I think I heard her say they're trying to restock it. So that's a quick little unboxing. I don't know if I got anything else. Yeah, no, I don't think so. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed those little snack options. Those are literally my go-to when I want something yummy and healthy and filling. So check them out, try them out, and let me know what you guys think. I know it's not like super out of this world, but sometimes people like to overcomplicate things, and it's just so easy. Just find what you like and try it out, experiment, and you'll be pleasantly surprised. So that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.